Hi there, gorgeous, and a very happy Drugstore December to you, and Merry Christmas week to you. Hope you're having a fabulous day and that your week is off to a great start. In today's video, I'm sharing some makeup with you that I've never tried before. We're doing a complete wear test, and I'm doing this in the style of a day in the life kind of wear test. Haven't done one of these in a while, where I just film excerpts from my day and I put them in the video and just share a little bit of my life with you. So I hope that you will enjoy. I'm gonna hop right into the video and do something I've not really ever done before and just go straight to the brows because I have two brow products to try and I already have a little bit of eyeshadow on. It's just a very light wash of color, nothing crazy today. First product I have to share with you is from NYX. This is their Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen and the shade that I'm showing you here is Caramel. It's a little awkward, but I'll try it on my other eye first because I think you can see this a little bit better in the camera. So we'll do some strokes. Brow hair strokes with the pen. I have the microphone literally like right in front of me too, so if you hear me bumping it, that's me. That's not bad actually. I like how easy it is to apply. I didn't struggle with it at all, and yeah. The other product I wanted to try for the brows is another one from NYX, and this is called the Brow Glue. If you want them to be brushed out so they become a little bit more noticeable, that is what this product will do. And if you look at the picture on the package, that explains it a little better than what I can tell you. I feel like a picture is worth 1,000 words. I see what it's doing. Yes, okay, it's a little bit like super glue. Super glue that should wash off at the end of the day for your brows. Now this is obviously a product, I feel like it's actually working pretty well on me. I already applied it to this eyebrow and you can see the subtle difference it did for me. My brow hairs are not really long, so I don't think you're going to see that dramatic of a difference on my face, but if you have naturally really long, thick brows, this would be a really good product to try. We'll see how it holds them throughout the day too, because this is another one of those products that you have to wear it all day long to see how it really fares. Now I'll go ahead and curl my lashes because the next product that I'm testing out is a mascara, and I'm not going to wear falsies today. I know, you're like totally shocked right now. I'm doing a lot of baking today. I'm boring. I know, I have a very boring life, but hey, I'm okay with that. I'm baking cookies for family and friends, mailing them out. White chocolate macadamia nut. And I'm also going to make some hot cocoa bombs for people who cannot eat cookies. Anyway, the next product I have to share with you is from Physicians Formula. This is the mascara. This is called their Lash Mixologist 3-in-1 mascara. It's supposed to give you length and volume. And sorry, it appears like there are two ends to it. Oh, okay. Wow. That's a pretty big wand right there. That's the volume side that I just showed you there. This is the lengthening side. Okay. Doesn't say whether or not it's waterproof. I'm assuming that it's not, simply because it didn't state that it was. Whoa, I think that did some really beautiful length there. Unfortunately, it's weighing down my lashes though, so I'll look down here so you can see the amount of length that it added. Really nice. I would need to pair it up with a waterproof mascara next time, more than likely. And then we'll apply the volumizing side here. Whoa, Nelly. Okay, well that definitely made my lashes look thicker than normal. And again, I'll look down so you can see what it really looks like. Because I have nowhere to go today, I really don't. I am going to apply a waterproof mascara on this eye because I do want to see if that will help to hold the curl a little bit better. This is the one from Essence, by the way. For those who don't know, waterproof formulas have wax in the formula, which is typically why they hold a curl better in the lashes, which is why I like to apply them before applying products like the Physicians Formula one. Okay, yeah, see, already I can see a difference on this eye. You can already see how the lashes are holding much better with that curl compared to this side that's just like, hopefully our volumizing mascara doesn't weigh it down a whole heck of a lot here. Okay, yeah, all right, well, I'm liking it. I could see the potential over here, but it really does require a waterproof mascara underneath as a base. And I really like that a lot. For the face, I have two different face primers to try. Both are from NYX, and I think that they are relatively new releases. The first is the Marshmallow Primer. This is infused with marshmallow root. It says you can use it alone or with foundation. The other one is called Bright Maker. This is infused with papaya. Again, it says you can use it alone or with foundation. That's the consistency of the Marshmallow Primer. It's a very mousse-like texture. And I'll apply it on this side. You can already see what it's doing. I got way too much here. I'm gonna use that, spread it around my face, apply it up here too. It appears like it could potentially minimize the appearance of pores. I'm hoping. It actually smells like marshmallows. I just thought that was a name, but it really does. All right, so here's what it says about the Marshmallow Primer. It's supposed to give 16 hours of wear. It hydrates, soothes, evens the skin tone, minimizes texture, blurs line, adds a soft focus finish, and keeps makeup fresh. And it has no silicones, and it's a vegan formula. It definitely did minimize the appearance of my pores, and if I come in closer, hopefully you can see it there. I don't know that it evened out my complexion so much because I still see like minor things that if I were color correcting would take care of them, that primer did not. But I can definitely see the hydrating quality of it. It's not a mattifying primer at all. It is very hydrating on the skin. So that's that one. We'll apply the Bright Maker on this side, and that's the consistency that you get with the Bright Maker. A lot different by comparison. It's much more fluid. It does have an orange tint to it. And you can see that very clearly on my skin there. I don't know that this would be one that I'd want to wear all by itself. It almost looks to me like it's got a little bit of shimmer. Yeah, it does actually. It's got this gold shimmer to it. And I'm hoping you can see that. Like a highlighter, like they put a highlighter in it. And this is what it says about that one. The skin instantly looks brighter. It does. Provides a natural looking radiance. Looks hydrated and smoothed. And your complexion looks more even and perfected. Again, I'm not really seeing an evening out of the complexion so much with this one either, but it's definitely giving a radiant glow. Supposed to extend the wear of makeup for 17 hours. Okay, so we're supposed to go 17 hours, 16 hours on this side. I don't know if I can stay up that long today, but we'll see. And over the top of that, I am using the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh. This is one that started out really, really good on me in terms of lasting all day. And then lately, it's just not been wearing that well. So that's why I'm applying the primers underneath. We'll see if either one of these help to extend the wear time. Before I lightly set my face with a little bit of powder, because, you know, oily girls, we got to do that, I have one more face product to share with you, and this is from Flower Beauty. It's their Gel Crush Lip and Cheek Blush. This is in the shade Strawberry Crush. It looks like a deodorant. It's got a very, very light pigment based on the swatch I've done with it so far. And the way that I think I want to apply this is actually with my finger. I'll start out by swiping it on the blush there, and we'll just tap it into the cheeks. I may need to use a stippling brush for this one. We'll see. Oh my gosh, it smells. Oh, it smells like strawberry. Boy, I am really struggling with getting any of that color onto my cheeks. As far as I can see here, it almost looks like I'm getting all of the shine from the product, but not so much the color. I don't know, maybe you're seeing something different than me. The color goes on, but it just fades, and then you're left with that shine. You know what I mean? It just, like, it's there. It's very, very faint. And I really don't want to apply that much more. Maybe I should. Could be studio lights too. Sometimes when I go into daylight, it looks completely different in terms of blush. Sometimes my blush application is like, whoa. It's really dewy though. Dewy. For setting my face today, I'm using Coty's Airspun. No surprise. And then for the lips, I have a new one from NYX. So many NYX products here today. This is the Shine Loud In Charge High Pigment Lip Shine. There's no name on this, and I can't remember the name of it, and I cannot open it. And my dad would freak out if he saw me doing this. Don't use your teeth. I paid a lot for your teeth. 4 years of braces. So it looks like on one end you have the pigment, and then on the other end it's like a gloss. Statement. Let's make a statement today. Oh, buddy. A lot of people like when I wear color on my lips. What do you think of this one? Whew. After the initial application with it, it's going everywhere. And it's sticky feeling. Like my lips want to stick together. All right, I am going to apply a little bit of the gloss over the top. Gosh, I cannot get over how sticky my lips feel. I don't like that feeling at all. Well, we'll see how all this holds up today with the toddlers and the baby, and I'll just take you through my day. It's a rainy day here. Kiddos are watching Blippi right now, and this little guy, he's teething, and he's getting ready to go take a nap, so he doesn't want to be put down, so I'm just gonna hold him for a little bit. And for those who know me, I don't put my kids on camera because I don't feel comfortable doing that, so that's why you won't see their faces. But yeah, I'll try to take you through my day as best as I can without showing you my kids on camera, so hopefully you understand. But that doesn't mean you can't enjoy baby feet. Baby feet. I love baby feet. And there's Tilly. Tilly, Tilly, Tilly. Hi, Tilly. No, I gotta be gentle. Yep. Jet is into wearing socks on his hands right now. I'm not sure why, but that's our thing. So he loves Tilly. Tilly is his best friend. I love these right here, magnetic animals. For times when I'm cooking things in the kitchen, and Ace loves them too. He just likes to just stick them on the, there you go. Stick them on the dishwasher. Keeps him entertained. I can get dinner done, lunch done, all kinds of things done, in the kitchen at least, and he has a blast. What you got there? What you got there? How was it? He wanted to try a white macadamia nut. I said, I don't think you'll like them.
I need snacks.
Socks on the hands to wearing dad's socks on the feet. They're very fashionable, let me tell you. I love them, Jet. They look beautiful. Don't fall over. The lighting in my kitchen is just awful for filming, and it doesn't help on days when it's rainy outside. It's just so ugh. So I've got my chocolate chip there. I'm working on the white macadamia nut right now. I have 2 babies asleep. And normally I would let Jet go and play out on the lanai right now, and he has a little car that he likes to run around in the lanai, but since it's raining he can't do that. So today is a TV day, and he's enjoying Blippi and playing with puzzles, and yeah, he's pretty good at entertaining himself, so yeah. They are looking beautiful. Oh, you like them, huh? Here, let me help you. Nothing like warm cookies, huh? Yummy. Got a good amount of them done here, and I got these really beautiful boxes. Look at these. This is from a company called Nashville Wraps. They have a ribbon on them too. They have a clear window there. So what I did was I cut out a paper plate. That's another one of the boxes that I got. They're so cute. And that is how I decided to package them. And I'm going to put some gold crinkle, what do you call it, paper around the edges so they don't shift too much during shipping. And if you hear a lot of crazy screaming in the background, hubby is wrestling kids right now, so. We're like 2.
I'm making a business called Christmas Electronics. These are batteries that are not going to go anywhere.
Here, try it. Here. Try it. You do it. There you go. Oh. There. That's it, huh? So checking in on this lipstick here. It looks really good. I've had it on for 6 hours now, and Ace is so tired. He's so ready to go to sleep, but he won't sleep right now, so I'm trying to keep him up until bedtime, which is an hour from now. Hopefully we can make it. But the face here This side feels a little shiny, like greasy a little bit. This side feels much more matte by comparison. And it is 7 o'clock at night. So I'm going through the house and cleaning up rooms, getting Ace ready for bed, which is not too bad today. Not at all. Not like Jet's room. By the way, this is his room. We did a nautical theme with him. Gia is joining me. Are you gonna help me? She always helps me clean up. She's so good like that. Yeah, Papa Beaky. Baby, you can't be on camera. I'm sorry. Yeah. But you can say hi. Can you say hi?
Hi.
She's so sweet. And this is Jet's room. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, it's really hard to take you through my entire day because there's so many interruptions and there's so much stuff that I do that I don't consciously think about carrying a camera along with me. So, I mean, it takes a little bit more effort to film certain, things than others. So just know that my days are very all over the place. So I've had this face on for, I want to say it's been 11 hours at this point. It's 11 o'clock at night. And let's see, I haven't looked at it really that close in a mirror yet here. It's really, really greasy feeling over here on this side from that Bright Maker primer that I used earlier. On this side, it's starting to feel a little greasy right there, but it's not as shiny, I feel like, as over here, especially when I showed you earlier at about the 6-hour mark. It still looked pretty good here. If you have dry skin, I feel like the dewy primer would be more your speed. If you have oily skin, I don't think so, because this side just looked greasy, felt greasy. It wasn't one of the most favorite primers I've ever used personally. The marshmallow one was okay. I don't feel like it was the best one for oily skin, but it wasn't the worst one either. I mean, it did a halfway decent job. I don't feel like either one really canceled out imperfections in the skin or evened out the skin tone. At least I didn't see that. If you saw differently, feel free to let me know below. Now, in terms of the brows, they look great. I don't feel like they fell down after having used that brow glue. And if you look closely, you can still see my brows are sitting in the same spot where I put them. I don't know. I can't think of any intelligent words right now. They're just still there. The lips, surprisingly, I mean, this is with eating and drinking for 11 hours. It is matte, by the way. Yeah, see? It does dry down fully matte, but it takes a little bit more time. And the gloss does wear away after you've been wearing it for a while, and it turns into more of a matte liquid lipstick style formula on the lips. The cheek product was really disappointing, at least in this instance it was. I think I'm going to try it again at a later date, give you an update in a future video. Oh, the mascara. Hello. That looks great. I mean, look at this eye compared to this one over here. And you can see that having applied that waterproof formula, it really did help to hold the lashes up where they are a little bit up over here, but not as much as this eye. And I didn't have any flaking. I also went back, by the way, and applied it to my lower lashes to test that area. I had no smudging, no smearing, and they look great. So I'm off to go bake another round of cookies and do some packaging tonight of the ones I've already made so far to get those out in the mail tomorrow. But I hope that you enjoyed spending this time with me and getting a little bit of a peek into my day. As hard as it is for me to film, I hope that you enjoyed it nonetheless. Thanks for being here, for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow for another video in Drugstore December. I must take that lip off. I must. It's bothering me. Just want to see how easily it comes off. It does not come off easy. Goodness gracious. Oh my word. Look at that. Holy cannoli. I'm going to need to just scrub my lips.